First off, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to my mother, Gladys Duhart. All the mothers out there, all the grandmothers, all the aunts as mothers, all the nieces that are mothers, all the mothers out there. We want to say Happy Mother's Day. God bless you. We love you. All the mothers out there. Thank you for doing what you do.
Happy Mother's Day.
So now it's time for us to get busy. In today's episode, I'm going to be doing a special Mother's Day dinner. And we're going to go in for real. Like, we're going to go in. So let's get right to it. So we had, and before we do that though, I want you guys to make sure you hit the link below, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I really would appreciate that because we're impacting and changing lives, one taste bud at a time with the world famous George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, rubs, and amazing recipes. Now, here we go. We got a whole lot of stuff here, and we're gonna go in. So we got bok choy. We're gonna be using bok choy. We're gonna be using some peas here. We got some shiitake mushrooms. We got some noodles here. We got some seasoning. We got some sake. We got a little bit of sesame oil. We're gonna be using a little bit of some organic sugar to make the merle for. Oh, by the way, we're making. My wife wanted some lo mein, so I'm making her some lo mein, and it's gonna be off the hook. We got some garlic here. We got some. What's this called?
Shallots.
All right, just checking, making sure you know. We got some not mixed. We have some different color, tricolor peppers. This is gonna be a power packed.
We have a viewer.
Who we got?
J. Ray Hart is watching.
J. Ray Hart, welcome, brother. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to your mother, to your wife, to your girl. If they, like our pastor said today in the service, if you bore a child, then you're a mother. If you bore a child, and even if you haven't born a child, you know, you've been that mother figure for someone that didn't have a mother. So that's what goes out to all of those folks. So we're gonna go right through the line here, and all of these ingredients will be in the description. So don't worry. I'm going in. We got the wok over here fired up. We got a whole lot of stuff that we're gonna do. So we got the water in the back over here. So we got the water boiling for the noodles. I'll turn that down a little bit. So we're just gonna prep everything. We're gonna just prep everything. Sometimes you can kind of lay it down too. And cut it.
Dr. Krista is watching.
Dr. Krista. How you doing, champion? Happy Mother's Day. Making a vegetable lo mein for my wife for Mother's Day. I'm talking about for her birthday. For Mother's Day. See, that piece got a little tricky. Okay, so now, next thing is I have to start right? Now the peppers are gonna go in here. I got the peppers in here. We're gonna add a little bit of some onion powder, some garlic powder. This is, you know, you can do that to taste. Do that to taste. Yeah, we just want to get that nice. You guys can see that. You see that? That sake smells delicious, and I'm almost tangled again. So we got the sake and the sugar, which makes the merle. Man, it smells good. We got that turned up. And then that's what really turn up means. But that's a whole nother story. All right, so we got the noodles on. See that there?
Diana Dorica is watching.
Don, how you doing, champion? Happy Mother's Day. We'll go ahead and add we're gonna add the English peas. Probably half the bag, 3/4 of the bag. Some peas give you a lot of. And we'll add a little bit more of the garlic powder and the onion powder. And
Alexa, stop the timer.
all right, so we got to check these noodles. We got to check these noodles because it was 4 minutes on the noodles. And I believe these noodles is ready, y'all. Can you see that? These ready. These noodles is ready. So now I got to do is drain the noodles. Be careful. This is extremely hot. Please, 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 please be careful.
Fred said, "What's up, George? Sending a happy Mother's Day to your
Thank
wife."
you, brother.
Ria Santos Stellares is watching also.
Maria, we got to take a picture. Happy Mother's Day. Noodles is done. The noodles are done. Also I made another funfetti cake for my mom. And I made a cheesecake for my wife. A vegan cheesecake for my wife for dessert. So this is ready. This is the season. This is the stuff that you put on top of everything when you mixing it together with the noodles. So that's done. We turn that off. We take that off. We take that off. We're gonna take the noodles off because we don't want them to keep cooking. All right, let me put the noodles on this thing here. We're gonna put the noodles in here right quick. All right, so we got that done. Boom, boom, boom. See that? You guys see that? Oh, pretty colors.
Smells good.
Smells divine. Smells divine. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more, oil, just a tiny bit. And again, like I said, I'll have all of the, gotta add the bok choy too. I'm gonna add that. Oh yeah, look at that. Smell that. I smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Fresh bok choy.
Smells like grass. Mm.
This is life right here. Lord have mercy. We'll put this in last. We want to kind of have that kind of still fresh. I'm gonna add just a little bit of the amino acid. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a squirt. See? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I didn't forget the bok choy. Don't you worry. We coming for you. We coming for you. We coming for you, bok choy. We coming for you, bok choy. We are coming for you, bok choy. Look at that. We coming for you. Gotta get. Lord have mercy. This looks good, y'all. Dang. Okay, we're gonna close that up.
How is it?
What? Man, let me tell you something. It's good. We have Dave, we have Fred,
Sean,
Rhea,
Diana,
Diana,
Dr. Krista,
Dr. Krista,
Tina,
Charlene,
Constantinos, Russell,
Russ,
and Jay.
and Jay. Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching. And again, happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. We love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Do us a favor and click the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I know I probably got food all over my teeth and everything. It's all good though. So thank you guys. We love you guys. And I'll be posting videos of, I made my mama cake. I'll be posting a video on after I frost that. And I also post a video on, post pictures of making the topping for the vegan cheesecake for my wife. So God bless you guys. We love you guys. Until next time, I'm Chef George from George's Live Cooking Show. This is Sneak Peek Sunday, where you got to see me make a amazing, phenomenal, delicious. I'm speechless. It's so good. Lo mein, vegetable lo mein. So, guys, you guys are awesome. God bless. Thanks again for watching. We love you guys. Make sure you hit the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Fired up. Chef George, out. As I promised, here is the end result of the cheesecake that I made for my wife, vegan cheesecake, and also the vegan cake that I made for my mom. It's delicious.